smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Our first task is to go up the hill, out of the village. Whew. Grana Wood, it says. This is Offa's Dyke path. Mushrooms. The view from Grana Wood. So here is part of the ancient Dyke, 780 AD. Difficult to pick out, but that is the Dyke. Following the Dyke, this time on our left. So this is a slightly longer walk, but again, a lot of it is following Offa's Dyke, and you can see remnants of it because it's over 1400 years old, so not a great deal is left, but you do get the picture. And you also get the picture that not a lot of people walk around here. The paths are marked, but the actual path you walk on, not too well trodden. Bit of an overcast day, but that's fine. It's October, it's dry. Yeah, so let's see where the rest of the walk takes us. That's our view as we come down the hillside and follow Offa's Dyke. We're waiting for something.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this.
Yeah. A little bit more of the Dyke to the right and the ditch. Coming up to a lovely bench. Coming up to the River Lugg, L-U-G-G. And a bridge. Tiny bit of road walking going that way. Between the hedges, up the hill. Through their fields. Expectant mums. You're a big man with your little harem. Hey? Up and over that. Some bits of infrastructure are a little devoid. we end up in the horses field. There's our friendly horse. Village bench, tiny village, but this is commemorating the Queen. Going over the River Lugg. Off to Lytton Hill. Follow the signs. First bit of mud we've encountered going up the side of this hill. Just waddling along. A very old sign. Can't read anything, covered in lichen. This was the main hilltop target for the day. This trig point, which should give us a good view, even though it's a bit overcast. Here we go, from the trig point, looking at the view, checking the way to go. All the way around 360. He's a bit big, isn't he? Wow, shoe in for size. Not really a path going down, we're just sort of guessing. We know we've got to be to the right of that water, so that's what we're doing. Through a farmyard and then sharp up through this gully. Are you hiding or what? Just looking. You're the little one. No signs, but online apps say this is where the path is, and the map says this is where the path is. So that's what we're taking. More cutting through farms. A short road walk before we get to a hollow road. Last couple of kilometres on this inverted commas road. Down the hollow way. Oh, across the ford.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.